Hi, I'm Morgan Gable here in the Advocacy Department at LeadingAge. Some of you will soon be packing your bags and headed to the nation's capital for LeadingAge's annual Future of Aging Services Conference, happening this year from April 11th to April 13th. The Futures Conference offers participants a chance to learn about LeadingAge's policy priorities, learn from esteemed leaders of federal agencies and folks on the Hill, and visit their own members of Congress in order to tell their story. This year, there has never been a more important time to tell your elected members of Congress about your organization's needs and priorities as they continue to engage in highly contentious and hotly debated budget fights. As always, the HCBS portions of the conference are sure to knock your socks off. This year's sessions include Melanie Bella, Director of the newly created Federal Coordinated Healthcare Office within the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, or CMS. Melanie will present on new programs to serve dual-eligible individuals at the Home and Community-Based Services Policy Forum. Our very own Peter Notar-Stefano will also provide a comprehensive view of what is going on in the policy world as it relates to HCBS and information on how you can become involved in LeadingAge advocacy opportunities to advance your organization's goals and mission. Dr. Richard Gilfillan, Director of the CMS Innovation Center, along with other LeadingAge members, will speak about how accountable care organizations will change healthcare at the Accountable Care Organization's Impact on Quality of Care and Funding session. Also, one of our most popular topics will provide practical information on how to venture into the world of HCBS in the Expanding into Home and Community-Based Services session, where we will learn from innovative LeadingAge members on how CCRCs, nursing care facilities, and senior housing are expanding into non-medical home care, home health, hospice, adult day services, and PACE programs. There will also be a session on the new Congress, What You Need to Know, where LeadingAge policy gurus will discuss both current and anticipated pieces of legislation that will impact aging services providers. You will also learn about LeadingAge's grassroots strategies that will help you in accomplishing your own legislative and political goals. With all of these sessions, how could you not make the trek to DC? The peak of the cherry blossoms will be over, but the Futures Conference will surely wow you with all that we have planned for this year. Travel safely and see you soon.